2023 was a spectacular year for Southern Utah University. In March, we wrapped our 125th anniversary celebrations during Founders Week, where we paid tribute to inspirational SUU figures during the Power of Place Howard R. Driggs lecture. The Paiute Indian tribe of Utah was recognized during the Founders Day Banquet, where a new portrait was unveiled in the Hall of Honor depicting the 5 Paiute Restoration Leaders. Continuing President Benson's efforts to strengthen partnerships with the Paiute tribe, SUU and Best Friends Animal Society partnered to offer scholarships to tribal members, and the university announced a tuition waiver opportunity for Native American undergraduate students. The university received many national accolades this year, including special recognition for its affordability and focus on career development by the Colleges of Distinction. The U.S. News & World Report named SUU a top regional public university in the West, and the Princeton Review named SUU among the best regional colleges in the U.S. Several of SUU's outstanding programs were also recognized nationally. SUU ranked as one of the best colleges in the nation for preparing future elementary school teachers, and the SUU Online MBA program ranked among the 50 best programs in the nation and number 1 in the state of Utah. Students are at the heart of SUU. Their hands-on education provides them with the skills and experiences needed to make a meaningful impact in their chosen fields. This year, SUU's student population topped 15,000 with a 4.9% overall enrollment increase. The majority of SUU's growth came from online programs, with 35.5% of all students taking only online courses. SUU athletics had a memorable year. Most notably, the Thunderbird women's basketball team finished their season as WAC regular season and tournament champions and competed in its very first appearance in the NCAA March Madness tournament. The Flippin' Birds also had a historic season with their first Mountain Rim Gymnastics Conference Championship in program history, and 25 Thunderbird gymnasts were recognized as academic All-Americans. In April, SUU cut the ribbon on its newest building, Bristlecone Hall, housing the departments of filmmaking, art and design, mathematics, and history, sociology, and anthropology, among others. This beautiful classroom, lab, and study space has been a welcome addition to campus. We also celebrated the class of 2023, more than 2,400 graduates during April's commencement ceremony. This summer, SUU joined in the centennial celebrations of Bryce Canyon National Park, affectionately known as SUU's Eastern Campus, further cementing SUU's designation and reputation as the University of the Parks. And in July, SUU Aviation celebrated its 10-year anniversary on campus. We also welcomed some new and familiar faces to roles in the administration, with 2 new deans and 4 new members of the President's Cabinet. SUU's ongoing success is only possible because of our outstanding students, employees, and you, our donors, alumni, and friends. Your generosity and unwavering support play a pivotal role in shaping the future of our university. Together, we are building SUU's people-centered, purpose-driven, and place-empowered legacy. Our deepest appreciation for your dedication and commitment. Here's to another year of excellence.